Let's make pizza. It's Friday. Friday's pizza day. I'm gonna start with some 2 cups of water, 1 cup of regular all-purpose flour. I'm starting this in the morning so that it can go slow and rise all day, but I do have a quick pizza dough recipe. If you're starting it in the evening, you can make pizza in like an hour. So the difference in how fast it rises is going to be how much yeast you put in at the start. If you are making it at the last minute, put in 2 tablespoons of yeast. I'm making it in the morning, so I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of yeast. Other thing that controls the timing is sugar and how much of it you add. If I was making this in the evening, I would add 2 tablespoons of sugar. For now, I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, but if I was making it the night before, you could omit the sugar completely. So we're making it in the morning, 1 teaspoon of sugar. You're gonna mix. You don't need one of these things, but I like having one. She's soupy. Next, while the yeast starts to proof, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, approximately. We're gonna do the salt last to give the yeast a little head start, but now I'm gonna add the rest of my flour. I'm gonna make 2 pizza pies. So I'm doing 5 cups of flour. This is the 6th cup, and I'm just gonna set it to the side in case I need it. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt and then start folding. Turn, fold, turn, fold, turn, push, fold, turn, push, fold. You don't actually have to knead this at all. You can use, you can do a no knead pizza dough, but I'm just kneading it a little bit. It's getting a little sticky. I'm gonna add a little more flour. When it starts to feel smooth and nice, or when you're sick of kneading, just put it back in your bowl and cover it up. We're gonna cover it up. You can use saran wrap, you can use a wet, clean dish towel, you can even use a plate. Okay, now we're gonna let it rise until it's doubled. If you want it to double fast, put it in a warm spot. If you wanna go slowly, you can put it in the refrigerator. If I was making it the next day, I would put it in the fridge. I'm just gonna leave it on the table because I'm making this tonight. Look at this dough, you guys.